Good morning, one and all. Today we'll discuss the important points about the very important topic called clinical trials. Okay, so we'll discuss the clinical trial in detail according to the phases. And before that, we should know what is this clinical trial and what is the main purpose of clinical trial and why it is needed. Okay, and everybody knows that before a new drug comes to the market, it is extensively studied in animals as well as in vitro studies under laboratory condition. Why? For knowing the safety and efficacy of that particular new drug or a molecule or a compound. If the drug is showing or it is found to be promising in these studies like animal studies, in preclinical studies, and in vitro studies under laboratory condition, an application called IND, investigational new drug application, has been filed with the United States Food and Drug Administration, that is US FDA, that is the main regulatory authority. In our country, it is filed with, that is investigational new drug application is filed with CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, comes under DCGI, Drug Controller General of India. It is mainly governed by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Okay, if the permission is granted for that particular new compound or a drug or a molecule, then that drug is tested in humans, and this testing is called clinical trials. So this is the meaning of clinical trials: testing of new drug or a molecule or compound in humans. Once we get the safety and efficacy of that particular compound from preclinical studies as well as in vitro studies, then only we can test that in humans, and that is called clinical trials. Okay, so this is about introduction of clinical trials. The next phase will continue in the next session. Thank you.